Hello, I'm Randy Graber, Senior Director of Product Development for Highland Ridge RV, and today we're going to talk to you about the 264 Roamer fifth wheel, medium profile fifth wheel. We're going to talk about current features and new features for the model 2023. Starting with the front cap, all painted front cap with clear coat, front window. We've got the Rhino pin box, a 21K heavy duty Rhino pin box on this fifth wheel. This trailer weighs about 9,700 pounds, easy to tow. And as we come walking around the other side here, we've got the auto level and exclusive JT strong arms for stabilization, which we have what we call the level lock for leveling and stability and reliability. No rock, no motion, no extra stabilizer aftermarket jacks needed with this setup. 4 strong arms on the front, 2 on the rear will take out your rocking motion front and rear side to side. As we move back, we got the full awning here with the LED light strips in the awning for outside light at night. A good pass-through storage area. Also featured is our 20-pound bottles, 3 20-pound bottles versus 2 30s. This makes it much more convenient for you to exchange them out at a convenience store if you're in a jam and can't get to a RV fill spot. Much easier to carry too. All right, as we move back here, you're going to see the entrance with our solid swing down step. This solid swing down Lippert step has got a much broader platform at the top for a secure landing coming in and out of the coach. And other nice features on this are the spring-loaded pins to adjust your leg lengths for a level step when you bring those steps out. Also, when if you're in a tight spot, you can pull 2 pins and take the step out if you need to get in the coach where it's too tight to get in and out. Say you're parked next to a building or too tight at maybe a rest stop or something like that. Also on the 264, as we move back, we've got the outside kitchen. And this year, instead of a 17-inch grill, we got a big 23-inch griddle on the outside kitchen. That's got the patented gas valve. You don't have to crawl underneath to hook up your gas valve for your griddle. You just turn the gas valve on and off right here. And it's got the automatic locks on the drawer guides in. It locks in automatically, and it also locks out automatically. It's got powder-coated steel kitchen top and drawer. You've got the tabs here for your utensils to hang here for your spatula or whatever you're grilling or prepping with. Outside water sink and your refrigerator, outside refrigerator, extra storage outside here too in the kitchen area. As we move around to the back, not only do we have a receiver hitch this year, but we also have it rated for towing. So this is rated at 3,000 pound towing, 2-inch receiver hitch, comes with a 4-way plug and safety chain brackets also on the rear. And that showcases the exterior. Let's go inside and I'll show you current features and new features inside. Okay, we're inside the 264 Roamer fifth wheel right now, and we'll talk about current features and new features on the 264 model. We start with a dinette here, solid wood dinette table. Our chairs are residential size. They're about 4 inches wider than an RV chair. Plus they have a flip-up seat also on the end on each chair, or you can get the additional optional folding chairs too. Large picture window. You got the pull-down roller shades on all the windows. Very tall slides here. No head knocker in this slide. Our flooring is the Shaw flooring. It's all fiberglass back flooring. It's not felt back. It's all mold and mildew resistant flooring. Then we have our 40-inch TV. You've got a flip-up lid for storage in behind the TV. Our new JBL stereo with speakers, sound bar. We've got the 5000 BTU electric fireplace standard. And in the back we have our 76-inch trifold sofa, which makes it a nice full or queen size bed in the rear. And as we move around, we've got a recliner seats with you've got the heat and a massage in the seats. Also, you have a post on the ends where you have a swivel tray for a drink or eating or whatever you want to use that for. Also new this year is all of our slide-out fascias are solid wood slide-out fascias in living room and the kitchen areas. The solid surface countertops in the kitchen. The large pull-out built-in pantry next to the refrigerator, all lit up on the side for easy visibility. The new 15 cubic Norco 12-volt refrigerator. Refrigerator above, French doors with a pull-out drawer, freezer below. You have 2 drawers that pull out below on the freezer. And kitchen back here, we've got our large 21-inch oven with window in the oven, a light in the oven, and the large 24-inch over-the-range microwave. All solid maple cabinet doors throughout the coach. Let's move forward here. We're going to go up the hallway here, side aisle bath. As you go up the steps, you can see we have shoe storage in the steps. You also have your return vent in the step for the furnace. And as we come in our side aisle bathroom, nice thing about our bathroom is you have an entrance from the bedroom and the hallway. You don't have to go out in the hallway to get into the bathroom like a lot of our competitors do. Nice size shower. Got the arc shower door, gives you plenty of shoulder room in the shower. We also have a large closet prep for stackable washer dryer in the bathroom. Also, nice size vanity counter area here. As we move into the bedroom, we're going to come over here. You're going to see that the bed is a power tilt bed. If you want to watch TV, and also give you extra room at the foot of the bed to move around the bedroom area. Large wardrobe closets with big deep drawers on the wardrobe slide. Also drawers, double drawers on each side of the bed. Most of them don't give you drawers on the sides of the bed, and most of them won't give you windows on each side of the bed for ventilation. Also large automotive window in the front with a pull down shade. The air conditioning's 15,000 BTU in the living room and 13.5 AC option in the bedroom. If you notice in the ceiling, we've got Wi-Fi prep here, 4G available. Thanks again for watching, and for more information, see your Highland Ridge RV dealer or go to highlandridgerv.com for more information. Thank you.